What's up, you guys? It's Kai and Nico here, back with another video. Today I hope that I can keep it quick. I don't know if I can, but I'm just gonna be doing some quick unboxing with you guys. I got some more baby stuff this week, so I just thought, hey, I should show it. My friend, aka my brother's girlfriend, got me something for my birthday, which is all postpartum stuff, which I think is really cool. So it made sense to show it because it's still all in the family of having a baby. And yeah, I wasn't gonna show this, but there is a bonus at the end, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's get right into this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do feel a little bit uncomfortable. My stomach is still, you know, a little darker. I am 3 weeks postpartum, and this is how I look. So I'm not like upset with my weight or anything. I think I just always been skinny, so I'm just gonna go right back to being skinny. But I still am a little dark and I still have that line. So once that goes away, I think I will be, you know, 100% feeling myself again. But for right now, we still good. Anyway, let's get right into it. I'm gonna stop. I need to stop talking. Like, that's really just what I know I need to do, but I never can. But anyway, I'm done. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so first off, I want to start with this bra. The reason why I want to start with this bra is because I'm already wearing one. She got me two, which is in black and one is in nude, and it is a maternity bra, and it is the most comfortable bra ever, especially for nursing. All I have to do is this, boop, and then I can feed the baby. So they're really easy. If you watched my what's in my hospital bag, I did show you guys my maternity bras that I got for myself off of Amazon. If you didn't see that video yet, I will link it below, so make sure you check that out. I really like those with the clip on, but I really like these. I think I like these way better than the ones that I got myself, and she got my right size. I don't know how she know my size, but these fit me perfectly. Yeah, they're just so comfortable, so thanks, boo. The next thing that I want to talk about are these she got me these honey pot pads, and they literally say postpartum pads, and bro, these are the best pads that I ever wore. They have mint in it, lavender and aloe. And literally when you put it on, you will feel the mint giving your vagina a sensation. It's like that icy feeling, like, you know, when you eat like mint gum and it just makes your mouth feel like, literally my vagina feels like that. And that's just what you need. Like, that's just really what I need. Like, it really gives that cooling sensation to my freaking vagina. Like, I'm really about to get these all the time. So thank you for this. I really like this. Thank you. Going along with these pads, she got me this honey pot. Okay, it's the same brand. She got me this honey pot sensitive foaming wash. So this wash is only for your vagina, literally. Like, it's not a body wash, it's literally only for your private parts. And I used it. These are the only two things that I used so far, and I love it so much. Like, it's something that I really needed, that I didn't know I need until I started using it today, and I'm just so happy. Like, I really need this. You know, down there is extremely sensitive, especially when you deliver a baby. I think all moms should go and get this because we need it, period. Okay, moving on. She got me this Love, Beauty, and Planet body wash. And she got me this shower oil, the body oil to go with it. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm not even just saying it smells so good. It literally smells so good. It smells like flowers and coconut, which is just like, you know, it smells good. So, period. This is the same scent. Oh, it actually says rose and oil. It's rose and oil, so it might not be flowers and coconuts, but literally it smells like flowers and coconuts. So thank you for this. I really love that. Moving all along. So this is the cleansing pad. This side is, you know, you wash your body with, and this side I really like is the scrubbing side. So it's a body scrub and you can just get all the dead skin off. I think this is very useful for postpartum, so thank you. Moving all along. Ooh, I see everybody with this. So this is that brand Soap and Glory. I don't know if you can see that, but it's called the Righteous Butter. Oh my god, that smells so good. She got me the lotion. I know this company has the body wash, the body scrub, the lotion. Hold on. Sounds like she's choking. Sorry about that. Sounds like she needed to be burped. So anyway, moving right along. I hope this goes well. I never did a video with a baby, let alone my own baby. Yeah. So anyway, what's next? I showed you the lotion. Okay, so moving right along. Ooh, more honey pot stuff. So these are honey pot intimate body and face wipes. I will add a picture. I know you can't see it from here, but honestly, I love the pads and I love the wash for my vagina. So I know I'm gonna love these because I feel like everything they make, I'm going to love. Yes, this is a chocolate cookie. This is such a great care package. Like, it literally has everything in it that I truly need. Like, wow. Wow, I love this. I needed this. These are some hair scrunchies. These are some Wild Fab hair scrunchies. I really needed that. So thank you. What else do we have? Moving right along. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Everybody knows that I love furry socks. She got me 2 pairs of these furry socks. I literally have so many furry socks, but this is literally this is like the best gift to me. Like, if you give me furry socks, I will love you and cherish you forever because I'm such a sock girl, even in the summertime. These are furry. I don't know if you can tell from that angle. These are furry socks. And she just got me some more furry socks. So thank you. I love you. Just to end this off, she got me 3 face masks from Sephora, which I really need. One is a cucumber eye mask. Ooh, I love that. It's an eye mask. The second is, oh my gosh, it's a hand mask. I never saw that before. This is a hand mask. And this one is a lavender foot mask. Wow, so none of these are actually a face mask. They're all different and I never saw anything like that. So thank you. That is very different and very unique. And to end it off, she got me 2 cards. And one looks like this. I'm not gonna read it to you guys. It's probably personal. But yeah. So that is what I got in my little postpartum pack. Also, I got it for my birthday, so thank you so much. Okay, I put the baby down. The second thing that I will be showing you guys is this box from Babylist. So basically my registry was on babylist.com, so they sent me like a nice care package at the end of all of this, plus some of my family members and friends spent a bag on, you know, that website. So the least they can do is send, you know, free stuff to the people that, you know, had their registry. And also I think it's great because it helps a lot of new mothers. All new mothers need free stuff, period. So let's see. I didn't open it yet. I literally want to do this with you guys for the first time. Babylist. Wow. All right, let's get to it. I don't know what this is. It looks like a gift card. This is a today I am 1 day old card, but I just got the box and my baby is 3 weeks, so you know. Ooh, so I got some Pampers, and in this is some Pamper wipes and 2 diapers. So they gave me some free wipes and some free diapers. So thank you. Wow, they sent a bottle. They sent an Avant bottle. I don't know if you pronounce that brand like that, but I say Avant. I'm not sure. Leave it down low in the comments if this is not how you say this brand. But I know you guys know what I am talking about. It's this brand. Let's see how the cap is. Ooh, I think she'll like this. She takes all bottles really well. Yeah, she breastfeeds. I breastfeed, but she likes both my breast and any bottle that milk is in. So I have a really lucky baby. I have a really great, amazing baby. So I think she will like this. Thank you so much. This is the Lamaze Blushing Blossom Mini Clip. So, ooh, this is so cute, you guys. It's a clip, so I think you can either attach their pacifier or just something, I guess, that can get lost easily. I'll find something to do with this, trust me. Oh my gosh, I love this brand. So basically in this package, this is a Lancino package. I got 2 breast milk storage bags, and I got 2 disposable nursing pads. And the nursing pads that I already have, oh, actually it's right in front of me. I'll show you guys. So I did show you guys in one of my videos, I think, but if I didn't, I got the Lancino nursing pads. I mean breast milk pads. I mean, yeah, basically nursing pads. So I have the Lancino nursing pads. I got a big box from Amazon. So they also gave me 2 extra ones, which is nice because they are great pads. So thank you for that. Ooh, this looks cute. So I got a silicone. It says it's really good for their breathing, which I like. It says this is a silicone pacifier. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's clear. The pacifier is like a transparent clear color, so you might not be able to see it, but it is a pacifier. Oh my gosh, they gave me, first of all, this is crazy. I know there's only like 1 wipe in here, but I wanted to try this brand so bad, water wipes. This is such a small package, but I wanted to get these wipes. I think I put them on my registry. No one got them yet, but I was going to get them next time I go to Target, and I heard they're like the best wipes, so I will be trying this. Thank you for that. I got some. Okay, so this is Johnson & Johnson face and body lotion. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I got some diaper rash stuff. They are both travel size, so I will be taking this anywhere I go with her, or you know, if she sleeps at her grandparents' house, I will pack that. Oh, this is cool. These are, I don't know if these are for the baby or for me. This might be for the mom, because I don't think babies can take pills right now, but it says this is a acid and indigestion relief. They are naturally drug-free. They are a dietary supplement. I think these might be for me. I will read that, but thank you so much. And then the last thing is just these Babylist cards. I already got this when I started my registry, and I didn't use them, but thank you so much. In terms of the Babylist packaging, that was pretty much it. So shout out to Babylist. Thank you for the free stuff. Every mom needs free shit, period. Okay, so I was gonna end the video here, but I'm just going to give you guys a nice little bonus. Shout out to my best friend, my brother, my motherfucking ride or die, Justin. Shout out to you. He did get the baby a Montclair. I didn't open it yet, so I just think that I should do it with you guys. But before we get into that, I just want to show you these sneakers. These are baby sneakers. Shout out to my friend Tay for getting her some Air Force Ones. You feel me? Every baby needs that. But let's get into this Montclair. I saw it like on the website and stuff like that, but I did not see it face to face, period. So let's do it together. Wow. This is, oh my gosh, this is super cute. Look at this baby Montclair. I never saw a Montclair this small before. Thank you, Justin. I love you so much. I know that she's going to love this because I love it. He did get a size 12 months to 18 months, which I think is really smart personally. So it won't be for this summer. I mean, I said summer. It won't be for this winter, but it will definitely be for next winter when she is 1 year old and up. So thank you so much, Justin. We love you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you really enjoyed this. You know, this is just something light. If you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram or leave it in the comment below. I will leave my Instagram below. And thank you for watching.